Yeah.
Ndo fine.
Yeah.
Iyo kacha house.
Oh, I want to go there now. I want to go there. You go.
On a break, you go.
Then you will share. Yeah, I wasn't. I will share in a worker. The I will share. Yo,
Yeah, my
your
friend.
Una hear make we fair right.
The drip time.
You can't be a disgrace. You want
You see how you want to get a move. We are going to use. But I want to go there now.
come.
Another one in a worker. I want to go there now, Daddy. Yeah, I wasn't.
I'm going to call you back. I have a visitor.
Oh, yeah, I wasn't. A very big one.
Yeah, how are you?
I wasn't. I want to go there now.
How are you doing?
Yes, we don't even.
What's the name?
Oh, my bad. Stop on now. Kwame and Nia. What about now? Okay. What are
How can I help you?
oh, my God. Up walking yali the motor.
Alright.
I stop on the driver.
What's the name?
I'm with you more than Madonna.
Confirm.
You walk out.
Who are you?
Okay.
God have mercy upon us.
Is that you guys they call for driving and cooking?
Nick on this. I'm messing to for. You want to snack a rum? I can't run is me. I'm going to go there. Yeah, I wasn't. Now, this one, my oh, what's up? On the
God have mercy upon us.
If go somebody like if he's space, na moto. If you want to level chandeliers, na socket and switches, na Lagos. What I go? If go somebody like Marshall Collection. If go somebody like telephones. What I na? If go somebody like Unbreakable Chaka.
God have
If go
mercy.
somebody like one. If go man na moto. What I go na? What I go here? I can't run money na moto. Yes. Here we
So
go.
please, can I know your experience about driving?
Mpande ko ngo experience too much. You even na go moto eri go nna. What I na? Anyi go moto na Dubai efo. Yawatana, and you go to China, go to Trump. Yawataguna. Even you go to the Panda, so if you did no Mbrukin moto, you are changing your glass every week or one year.
My phantom.
God
I mean,
have mercy
you
upon us.
oh, you go to Phantom, oh, you want to go change glass. Black proof for the moto. If you go to shadow brain, yes, even why not, but I want to go there.
So please, can I know your about experience about your cooking?
It's good to meet Abuja Buru.
Why do you leave your job?
Not time simple thing, not time. Why not? I call your highest nation glass every week. Nobody job only year today.
Please, I'm sorry, I cannot employ you guys.
You cannot employ us. Okay, when I know if I was happening now, okay, when I know.
Will you guys get out from this place if I call the security?
God have mercy upon us.
Please, can you leave this place?
Can you leave
this facility now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I call the security?
Family problem.